My name is Beth, and I have been asked to describe what I currently do for a living. The tech industry is one of the most exciting industries to work in right now, and there are many different kinds of jobs within tech. And those jobs aren't just limited to those who already have experience with tech, they're available to everyone who's willing to learn. When I started out 3 years ago, I knew nothing. I didn't even know what an operating system is, but I knew I could learn, and so that's what I dedicated myself and my time to do. I learned. And so now I work within the tech industry, and I love it so much, and I'm so excited to share with you about what I do. I am currently a DBA, which is a database administrator. Every business and every industry relies on data. We all use data in some capacity, and that data needs to be stored in some way, so that way it can be kept secure, and so that way those who need to access it can quickly and easily access it. Data is stored in many ways, one of which is the familiar way that we see here in physical files and file cabinets. Data can also be stored digitally in specialized software called a DBMS, or a database management system. So my job is actually very cool. As a database administrator, I am responsible for that specialized software. I will install it in accordance to the architecture required by the application. I will keep it up to date with patching, so that way it is always in compliance with performance or security standards. I will register users and determine who can access the database and do what with the data in there. And I'll continue to monitor the users, see who's logging in, who's doing what, making sure that the data is always kept secure and accessible. I want to make sure that the users can quickly retrieve their queries and quickly be able to do what they need to do with the data stored within that database. And my favorite part about my job is that I get to write scripts. I get to write a lot of scripts. I write Bash scripts, Python scripts, PL SQL scripts. I do this to help me do my job and automate a lot of my tasks. And it's very fun. And again, it's automation, so a lot of my work is done for me. So I, monitor table spaces and to make sure that they have enough space, disk groups, making sure they have enough space. It's just a lot of fun, and I love it. And it's very important. Like I said before, every industry, every business relies on data, and it's important that that data is kept secure and easily accessible. And that's my job, and I love it so much.